In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use custom views in Zoho Books. By the end of this guide, you'll have a solid understanding of how to manage your data effectively within Zoho Books using custom views. Now, let's get started. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the dashboard in Zoho Books. Once you're logged in, you're greeted by the main dashboard, which is the command center of your Zoho Books account. From here, you can access various features and functions as you manage your business finances. Next, let's dive into the sales section. This is where you'll manage everything related to your sales transactions. By clicking on sales, you are provided with access to view and manage your invoices, payments, and more. This section is particularly important because sales transactions lie at the heart of your business activities. Once in the sales section, it's time to focus on your customers. Click on the Customers tab to view the list of your current and prospective clients. Managing your customer details efficiently is key to maintaining good relationships and ensuring continued business. When you're in the customers area, take a look at the Active Customers drop-down. This feature helps you filter your customer list to show only those customers you actively engage with, which is particularly helpful in narrowing down your working list to just those essential contacts. Ready to create a new customized view? Click on the New Custom View option. This is where the real magic begins. Custom views allow you to tailor how information is displayed in Zoho Books, making it easier for you to focus on specific data types or criteria that are pertinent to your workflow. Once you click on New Custom View, you'll need to give your new view a name. Choosing a descriptive name is helpful for recalling the view and understanding its purpose at a glance. Think of a name that clearly represents the kind of data you intend to display or track with this view. After naming your custom view, it's time to select your columns preference. This step allows you to pick and choose which data columns you want to be displayed, tailoring your view to show exactly the information you need. It's all about personalization and efficiency. With your column preferences set, go ahead and click on Available Columns. Here, you can tick off the specific columns you wish to include in your custom view. This might include customer name, transaction value, or any other relevant data points you frequently monitor. Finally, with everything in place, it's time to save your new custom view. Click on Save to make sure all the changes you've made are finalized. Once saved, you'll be able to access and utilize this custom view anytime you need to dive into specific data within Zoho Books. And that's it. You now have a custom view set up, ready to make your management tasks in Zoho Books more efficient and tailored to your specific needs. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you're now ready to take full advantage of custom views in Zoho Books. Thank you for watching and happy organizing!